I'm working on a 2011 Audi A3. Underneath, it's real similar to any Volkswagen model that you would see. It's the same chassis. It came in with an exhaust leak. It's the most common exhaust leak that these Volkswagens and Audis have, especially these newer ones. You know, they have less problems with the flex pipes, and you see these sleeve clamps fail all the time. The sleeve clamp itself is some grade of stainless steel, but the clamp is looks like some kind of mild steel. It's kind of strange that they would do that. So the clamps rot out, the sleeve stays fine. You replace the whole thing, of course, but when you have an exhaust leak on these, you shouldn't ignore it. They cost, you know, nothing to fix this. If one of the clamps is still hanging on, you just cut it with a cut-off wheel here, but this one is completely loose. This one came in like this, and as you can see, when that slides off, when you hit a bump and it slides off, there's virtually nothing stopping this pipe from dropping down here and just grinding up, and it's part of the whole catalytic converter assembly. So once the engine thrusts forward and twists, it pulls this away far enough where it gets stuck on the other side of this bracket, and then it scrapes and damages the pipe. So the sleeve clamp is, it's a $10 part, and it takes a couple minutes to install. So you want to make sure that when you have an exhaust leak coming from the back of the car, you'll usually notice the car is running. There'll be water dripping here, like this one. That's usually how you can spot it if you're not underneath the car. And your exhaust is loud, and it's coming from the middle of the car. So yeah, don't ignore it. Just replace the sleeve clamp. It's a pretty simple job. You don't even have to pull this. You just slide this out of the way, drop this down, and you can move this far enough to slide it out. So thank you.